Hey you guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. Welcome to another episode. Yes, it's been about a week or so since my last episode. Do you know why? Because I got suspended on YouTube again. That's right. YouTube is just constantly hating on all the gun channels. As far as I know, I'm like one of the only New York, People's Republic of New York gun guys here in Long Island, New York. I found out that it's mostly because of my affiliate links in my description that has the words AR-15 in it. So I'm not allowed to sell or promote AR-15 accessories, that kind of thing, you know. So I might have to delete the words AR-15 from all of my descriptions moving forward. Anyway, if you guys see this, it means that I'm not suspended anymore. And I wanted to show you my latest purchase. It's not really mine, it's my buddy Nameless. Because of the ammunition restrictions that are impending, actually September 3rd was the date that New York State would have to require background checks to buy ammo, not over the counter like a bag of chips like we previously did. So everybody in New York started stocking up on ammo, buy as much as you can without a background check. And, you know, a background check's no real big deal. It's just an inconvenience, really. But if you're legal enough to buy a firearm, you're legal enough to buy ammo. So it shouldn't be a concern unless you're a criminal. It is inconvenient for guys like me who like to buy ammo online because it's the cheapest. Because now the ammo can't be sent straight to your door. It needs to go to your local FFL, and you have to pay no more than $10 for an FFL ammo transfer. Remember that. That's written in the law. You can't pay over $10 to an FFL for an ammo transfer. Guns, receivers, lowers, that's a whole different ball of wax. It's really up to your FFL about what they want to charge. Usually they charge between 25 to 50 to 60, you know. So Nameless, we saw on Prepper Gun Shop. What a deal. 1,000 rounds of 9mm PMC ammo. South Korean Armory, they actually produce ammunition for their own military. PMC, I have a lot of it, 223 mostly. I've never had the 9mm before. This will be the first time, which is why I wanted to unbox it for you, because I've never had PMC ammo in 9mm caliber before. You ready for this? $289 for 1,000 rounds of PMC brass 9mm Luger. That's the cheapest I've seen 9mm rounds for, $289. And Prepper Gun Shop charges a flat $9.99 fee for shipping, and they don't charge any tax. So you can buy like 10 cases, and it'll still only be $9.99. So that's a good deal. Anyway, I'm going to unbox it for you. You know these are firearms. You know these are ammunition because of this required decal that you need for shipping ammunition. Usually it's only ground that they allow it to be shipped with, and this was from UPS. So this actually required a signature, which is extra, but he didn't pay for it, you know. And also it's usually extra $2 or so for the ammo to be shipped in another box. Like for instance, they don't want people to see PMC, precision made cartridges, small arms ammunition. They don't want to just put a UPS sticker on here and ship it because it'll get stolen. So if they don't know what it is, it's probably to your best interest that your package gets to you safely by paying the extra $1.93 or whatever it is for them to put it into another box, which Nameless did not pay. So they were very good about it, obviously. So here we go. I got permission from Nameless to open up his brand new box so I can show you guys, the viewers of Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. Remember, subscribe, like, share. I could use the subscribers. It's hard to make any money with a gun channel in New York, really. So here it is. 50 rounds per box, so should be 20 boxes? Yep, 20 boxes. This box over here is a little damaged. I'll open this one first. ammunition. It's heavy. I'm not going to get on the packager for having a defective box. I understand you're shipping some heavy shit. You know what I mean? Moves around a lot. Things get bent. I understand. Not to mention the fact that who the fuck gives a shit? You're going to just take these rounds and put them in your damn magazine and shoot them. That's it. Who cares about the damn box, right? There we go. Very nice. 9mm Luger. PMC has always been super quality. Like the 223s that I've had, I don't think I've ever had a problem, not once, firing hundreds of rounds with cycling, whatever. Smooth. Even smoother than the American-made brass, like Grind Hard, Remington, or Winchester. Super smooth. Almost like they polish it or something like that. It's just so smooth. Doesn't that look good? That looks really good. So $289 plus the $9.99, so $2.99, so 30 cents. 30 cents a round for brass. Good quality. Really good quality. PMC is probably my favorite ammo. You can get 223 for like, I don't know, $4.40 for a case, so 45 cents. That's pretty good. Shipped to your door. No longer though. Today is August 30th, I believe. So I've got 3 days until the deadline, but I don't think they're gonna enforce it for a while because New York State does not have a database in place for ammo checks on ammo. There's just no way they can do it yet. So I would say just if they'll send it to you, keep buying it. It's beautiful. Great deal. $2.89. Sweet. Look at right here. Hard to pronounce. Poonsang Corporation. Seoul, Republic of Korea, which is South Korea. Cartridges, small arms. I'm a firm believer in the value of ammunition. I think you should buy as much as you can while you can. You don't know what the laws are going to be moving forward. Let's not be crazy and think that in the future, and I don't like to get political on my channel, but I will say that don't have any illusions that there will ever be a Republican or pro-gun type governor of New York. Never. Even though you may live in a Republican area and you think, oh man, this is all Republican, right? You have to think about the 10 million other people in the New York City, Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Staten Island, Queens, those boroughs. That is the bulk of the 10 million people in the state of New York. They're all Democrats. 99.9% in those 5 boroughs. Here in Long Island, Suffolk County, Nassau County, it's predominantly more Republican, but there are Democrats mixed in from the people who have gone from the city out. So don't have any illusions that it's ever going to be like this in New York. If you want freedom with your firearms, New York is not the state to live in. But then again, going to move to Montana, you'll probably have what you want in firearms and ammunition, but are you going to be happy being from New York, living in Montana all of a sudden? It's just different. For the rest of you guys around the country, you always say, why do you live in New York? You haven't lived in New York, so you don't know why New York is a great place to live. Why 10 million people live here? More jobs, better schools, more nightlife, things to do. In Montana, what am I going to do with my time? You can't shoot guns in the woods all day. You have to have something to do to live your life. You have one life to live. Live it happy. Oh, well, I'll be really happy with firearms. Every day of your life, though, you got to have some other kind of life. You know what I mean? Anyway, my rant is over. PMC ammo, South Korean Armory. Really, really good quality ammo. I almost wish I bought a case myself, but I really have a lot. But I think ammo is more important than gold. It's like gold.
That's gold, Jerry. Gold!
It's more important than money. Because in an apocalypse, when shit hits the fan and you don't have enough ammo, let's say you have an AR-15. Fantastic! How many rounds you got? Oh, I got about 500. That's not enough. 500 will go like that. And when the zombies come, how are you going to kill them? How are you going to save your family? What good is your AR-15 without enough ammo? You need like 30,000 for you to be really comfortable. Anyway, thanks a lot for joining me on this PMC 9mm Luger unboxing from Prepper Shop for $289 plus $9.99 shipping. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. We'll see you guys all next time on Mowers, Blowers, and Guns.
That's gold, Jerry. Gold!